Unveiling Idioms. Understanding, cast a shade. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in English, cast a shade. This idiom might sound simple, but it carries a unique meaning and usage in different contexts. So, let's dive in and uncover the nuances of this expression. Cast a shade primarily refers to the physical act of creating a shadow. This happens when an object blocks light, resulting in a shaded or darker area. Imagine a tree in a sunny park. The branches and leaves cast a shade on the ground, providing relief from the sun. This literal understanding is the foundation for its more figurative uses. In everyday conversations, cast a shade can take on a figurative meaning. It's often used to describe a situation where someone overshadows another person or thing. For example, if a very talented individual joins a team, their skills might cast a shade on the others, making their talents seem less impressive by comparison. Another interesting use of the phrase is in the context of social interactions. Casting shade can mean to subtly express disapproval or criticize someone. It's less about direct insults and more about indirect, often sarcastic remarks. This usage is quite popular in modern slang, where saying someone threw shade implies they were subtly derogatory or dismissive. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. Her advanced skills in coding cast a shade on the rest of the team's abilities. 2. At the party, he cast a shade on his friend's achievement, making a snide remark about luck playing a big part. And that's a wrap on Cast a Shade. Remember, idioms like this add color and depth to the English language, making it vibrant and dynamic. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting phrase and its various uses. Keep exploring and learning, and we'll see you in our next video. Happy learning!